Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll see how to see who you like on Facebook dating, so let's start. Well, it's very easy. Right now I'm in dating section, so you can see that we have different options. We have like you, friendship, matches and profile. If you check your profile, well, you will see here the pictures and your information. Like you will see here the people who liked your profile, so here you will find it. Okay, so in case that you want to see friendship, also you can click here. Now if you want to see matches, just click on matches and you will see the people who match with you. In this case my profile is new, so I don't have anyone here, but you can check this part if you have a match with someone. So now you can see everything here, and well guys, in this way you will see who like you on Facebook dating. I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.